Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of the chapter function for class 12th, both CBSE and CHSE. In lecture 2, I am going to discuss meaning of domain of the function, how to find domain of the function, meaning of range of the function, how to find the range of the function. Now let's discuss. Domain of the function, domain of the function y is equal to f of x. The domain of the function, domain of the function, domain of the function y equal to f of x is the set of values of x for which y is defined, or f of x is defined. Defined means some real values. Now, what do you mean by domain of the function? Domain of the function means domain of the function f of y equal to f of x means the set of values of x for which the function is defined or y is defined. Defined means some real values. A rule to find domain of the function. A rule to find domain of y equal to f of x. Type 1, y equal to px by qx. Y is equal to px by qx is defined for qx not equal to 0. Type 2, y is equal to root px is defined for px greater than equal to 0. Type 3, y is equal to px by root over px is defined for qx greater than 0. Type 4, y is equal to log a base a px is defined if px greater than 0. Note 1, if D1 and D2 are domains of f1x and f2x respectively. Then number 1, domain of f1x plus or minus f2x is d1 intersection d2. Number 2, domain of f1x into f2x is d1 intersection d2. Number 3, domain of f1x by f2x is d1 intersection d2 minus f2x is equal to 0. There are 4 types or 4 models of the problem, and these are the notes to find sum or difference or product or quotient of the functions. Problem based on domain. Problems based on domain. What is the domain of f of x is equal to 3a square plus x plus 5? Solution: f of x is equal to 3a square plus x plus 5. It is clear that for every real number x, f of x is defined. Therefore, dom f is equal to set of real number R. Notes: domain of polynomial function. Domain of the polynomial function is equal to set of real number R. Now question number 2. Find the domain of f of x is equal to x by x minus 1 x minus 2. Solution: f of x is equal to x by x minus 1 x minus 2 is defined for x minus 1 x minus 2 not equal to 0. That is x not equal to 1 x not equal to 2. So dom f is equal to real number minus 1 comma 2 except 1 comma 2. Other values of x, the function is defined. So domain is equal to r minus curly bracket 1 comma 2. Question number 3. What is domain of what is domain of f of x is equal to root over x minus 2. Solution f of x is equal to root over x minus 2 is defined for x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, implies x greater than or equal to 2. That implies, draw number line minus infinity plus infinity, here 2. X greater than or equal to 2 means starting from 2 and greater. These are the set of the values of x for which the function is defined. Therefore, dom f equal to 2 comma infinity. Question number 4. What is the domain of f of x is equal to root over x square minus 25. X square minus 25. Solution f of x is equal to root over x square minus 25 is defined for x square minus 25 greater than or equal to 0. That implies x minus 5 or x plus 5 into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Draw number line minus infinity plus infinity. This is x plus 5 equal to 0. Rough x plus 5 equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 5. X minus 5 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 5. That is minus 5 and plus 5. Sign rule is important here, so pay attention, dear students. Here the coefficient of x square, that is 1, positive, so put plus minus plus from right to left. This is plus and this is minus and this is plus. Above the number line, what sign is here? Greater than or equal to. Greater than means positive. Where is positive sign? Here positive sign and also here positive sign. These are the domains. Domain f equal to minus infinity minus 5. For infinity or plus infinity or minus infinity, always common brackets. Since equal to sign present here, so square brackets here. Again union this portion 5 comma infinity. Now question number 5. What is domain of f of x is equal to root over 49 minus x square. Solution f of x is equal to 49 minus x square is defined for 49 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Solving this, we get minus infinity. Solving this, that is, we get here x is equal to plus or minus 7. This is rough work. X is equal to plus or minus 7. Here minus 7, here plus 7. What is the sign rule? Here coefficient of x square is minus 1. So what is the sign rule? Put minus sign from the right to left. Alternate minus plus minus. So for this sign rule is put minus, because minus here, because the coefficient of x square is negative, so put negative sign from at the right side of the 7, then come to left side, minus, then plus, alternately minus. Above the number line, greater than equal to sign present, greater than equal to 0 means positive or 0. Positive, what is the positive region here? This is positive region. This region is domain. Therefore dom f is equal to minus 7 comma 7 square bracket due to equal to sign present. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is domain of f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by root over x minus 2. Solution f of x is equal to x plus 1 by root over x minus 2 is defined for x minus 2 greater than 0. That implies x greater than 2. Number line here minus infinity plus infinity, here 2, x greater than 2, excluding 2, 82 exclude habo, that is except 2 and greater than. This is the domain. Dom f is equal to 2 comma infinity. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is the domain of f of x is equal to x by root over x square minus 4. X by root over x square minus 4. Solution f of x is equal to x by root over x square minus 4 is defined for x square minus 4 greater than 0. Mind it. Pay attention please. X square minus 4 root over x square minus 4 is in the denominator, so equal sign here absent. Only greater than 0. Rough here, putting this is equal to 0, so x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now draw number line minus infinity, plus infinity, minus 2, plus 2. Since the coefficient of x square is plus, positive, so put plus, minus, plus. Here equal to sign absent, so 2 minus 2, both are exclude. That is minus 2 excluded and less than, plus 2 excluded and greater than. That is dom f equal to minus infinity, minus 2 union 2 comma infinity. Then question number 8. What is the domain of f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by root over 25 minus x square. Solution, this is x minus 2 divided by root over 25 minus x square. Solution, f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by root over 25 minus x square is defined for 25 minus x square greater than 0. Rough work here. If this is equal to 0, 25 minus x square is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to plus or minus 5. Draw number line, minus infinity plus infinity, minus 5 plus 5. What is the sign rule here? Since the coefficient of x square is minus, so put minus sign from right, then alternate plus minus, minus plus minus. That is minus, alternate sign, opposite sign plus, and its opposite minus. Above line, above the number line, what is present here? Greater than 0. Not equal to sign, only greater than. So greater than 0 means positive. Where is positive? In the middle is positive. So equal sign absent. So minus 5 exclude, and equal sign absent, plus 5 exclude. What is the values here? This is the domain. Dom f is equal to minus 5 comma 5. Question number 9. Question number 9. What is domain of f of x is equal to root over x plus 5 by x minus 2. Solution f of x is equal to root over x plus 5 by x minus 2 is defined for x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Here numerator equal to 0, meaning x plus 5 equal to 0, that implies x is equal to minus 5. This is rough work, and x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 2. Draw number line, minus infinity plus infinity, smaller number minus 5, then 2 greater 2. What is sign rule? This is very important, so please pay attention. The coefficient of x in the numerator is positive, rough. What is the coefficient of x in the numerator? Plus, positive. What is the coefficient of x in the denominator? Positive. So positive by positive is positive. Positive by positive is positive. So put plus sign from the right, then alternate opposite sign, plus minus plus. Here if x equal to 2, since x minus 2 is the denominator, if we put x equal to, the function is undefined, so 2 exclude. But if x equal to minus 5, numerator equal to 0, nothing problem, no problem here. So minus 5 included, 2 excluded. And what is the sign? Greater than or equal to 0. Since minus 2 is excluded, so 2 is not counted. Greater than 2 only, and less than or equal to minus 5. Less than or equal to minus 5 here. So dom f equal to this region and this region. So dom f is equal to minus infinity minus 5, common bracket. Since equal to sign present, so square bracket, union, 2 is excluded, so common bracket 2 comma infinity. This is excluded because if x is equal to, the function doesn't exist. Then question number 10. What is the domain of f of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5 minus x root over. Solution: f of x is equal to root over x minus 3 divided by 5 minus x is defined for x minus 3 divided by 5 minus x greater than equal to 0. Similarly put x minus 3, rough work here, x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 3. Again 5 minus x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5 here. Draw number line: minus infinity plus infinity. Which is smaller number? 3 is smaller number. Write first and then 5. Now the sign rule is very important. What is the coefficient of x here? Numerator. Coefficient of x in the numerator plus the coefficient of x in denominator negative. The plus by minus is minus negative. So negative, put negative sign at the right, then alternate minus plus minus. Greater than equal to 0 means positive number. Where is positive? This is positive region. 5 minus x present in the denominator, so 5 is excluded. This is excluded and 3 is included. This is, since equal to sign present, 3 is included. So this region 5 is excluded here. This region is the domain. Dom f is equal to square bracket 3 comma 5 common brackets. Now question number 11. Question number 11. What is domain of f of x is equal to log x minus 1? Log solution: f of x is equal to log x minus 1 is defined for x minus 1 greater than 0, that implies x greater than 1. Therefore this is number line. Greater than 1 means this is 1, greater than 1 is excluded, therefore dom f equal to 1 comma infinity. Question number 12. F of x is equal to log x square minus 4. What is domain of f of x is equal to log x square minus 4? Solution: f of x is equal to log x square minus 4 is defined for x square minus 4 greater than 0. Rough work here: x square minus 4 equal to 0, that is x equal to plus or minus 4. Minus infinity plus infinity, this is minus 2 and this is x square minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Here minus 2 and plus 2. Sign rule is important, so pay attention. X square, coefficient of x square plus, so put plus minus plus. You are required greater than 0 means positive. Where is positive? 2 is excluded, minus 2 is excluded, plus 2 is excluded, minus 2 is excluded. This region, this is excluded and this is excluded. What is the domain? Dom f is equal to minus infinity comma minus 2 union 2 comma infinity. Now another question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. What is the domain of f of x is equal to root over x square minus 4 plus log 1 minus x square. Let here solution f of x is equal to root over x square minus 4 log 1 minus x square. Let f1x is equal to root over x square minus 4, f2x is equal to log 1 minus x square. Now this is defined x square minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now df minus infinity plus infinity, putting x square minus 4 equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. What is the sign rule here? Since the coefficient of x square is plus, so put plus at the right, plus minus plus. So domain 1 or df1, domain f1 is equal, what is domain f1? Minus infinity, minus 2, here common square bracket, and 2 comma infinity common bracket here. Now this is defined for 1 minus x square greater than 0. Solving this 1 minus x square equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1 and plus 1. This is minus 1 and this is plus 1 and this is plus 1. What is the sign rule? Sign rule is coefficient of x square minus, so put minus from at the right side of the 1, minus plus minus, but we require plus. Dom f2 equal to what? Minus 1 comma 1. Now domain of f is equal to df1 intersection df2. What is the common here? This is minus infinity plus infinity. This is minus infinity plus infinity, and this is minus 2 and this is plus 2. df1, this is df1 like square to identify, and df2, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. df2 lies between minus 1 to plus 1. This is minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 both are excluded. What is the common region here? Common region here. There is no common region. So dom f is equal to 5 because no common. Another question number 14. What is domain of question number 14. What is domain of f of x is equal to root over 25 minus x square plus log x square minus 9. Same thing repeat here, defined here, that is 25 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Draw number line minus infinity plus infinity, and this is minus 5 and this is plus 5. What is the sign rule here? Coefficient of x square is minus. This is minus and this is plus and this is minus. What is domain? Dom f1 is equal to minus 5 comma 5 square brackets. Similarly, this is log x square minus 9 is defined for x square minus 9 greater than 0. That implies this is minus 3 and this is minus infinity plus infinity, this is 3. What is sign rule? Plus minus plus. This is df2. Excluding minus 3, excluding plus 3, df2. df2 is equal to minus infinity, minus 3 common bracket both, union 3 to infinity. So dome f is equal to df1 intersection df2. df2. What are the common? This is minus infinity plus infinity, and this is minus 5, this is plus 5, this is minus 3, and this is plus 3. df1, this is df1, this is df1, and what is the f2? Minus 3 exclude, this is df2, and plus 3 exclude, this is df3. What is the common region here? This is common region. Therefore dome minus 5 comma minus 3, here square bracket and this is common bracket because equal sign absent here, union 3 comma 5 square brackets. This is answer. Now what is range of the function? What is range of the function? Range of the function. Range of the function. Range of the function. Y is equal to f of x. Range of the function. Range of the function y equal to f of x means is defined as the set of values of y for which x is defined. X is defined. Domain means input, range means output. What is range of the function y equal to f of x? Value of the functions are called range of the functions. Now problems based on range. How to find range of the function? Procedure to find the range of the function. Range of the function y equal to f of x. Step 1, write the given function. Given function and put f of x is equal to y. Step 2, express x in terms of y. Step 3, write the values of y for which x is defined, which is the range of the function. Range of the function. Range of the function. Now let us discuss some problems. How to find the range of the function? Write the given function, put f of x equal to y. Step 1. Step 2, express x in terms of y, means only x in left side and numbers and y terms in the right side. Write the values of y for which x is defined. That values are called range of the function. Find the range of the function. Find the range of question number 1. F of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 2. Solution: f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 2. Step 1. And put f of x is equal to y. That implies y is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 2. And express x in terms of y. That is xy minus 2y is equal to x plus 1. Bring x to left side. Xy minus x is equal to 2y plus 1. Take x common. Y minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 1. That implies x is equal to 2y plus 1 divided by y minus 1. X is defined. This is defined if y not equal to 1. That is y minus 1 not equal to 0. That implies y not equal to 1. Y minus not 1 not equal to 0 implies y not equal to 1. Therefore, range f except 1. All real numbers except 1. So all real numbers means r, except 1 means minus curly bracket 1. This is range of the function. Now find the range of the function. Find the range of the function. Find the range of the function. Find the range of the function f of x is equal to x by x square plus 1. X by x square plus 1. Solution: f of x is equal to x by x square plus 1. Put f of x is equal to y. That implies y is equal to x by x square plus 1. That implies yx square plus y is equal to x. That implies yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. This is quadratic in x. That implies x is equal to minus b, means minus of minus 1 plus or minus b square, means 1 to square 1 minus 1, minus 4 into y square by 2y. X is real if x is real if 1 minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0. Solving for rough work here. Solving 1 minus 4y square is equal to 0 implies y is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. That is, here number line minus infinity plus infinity. That implies minus 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. What is the sign rule here? Coefficient of x square minus. So put minus sign at the right. Minus plus minus. Greater than or equal to 0 means positive sign or 0. That is positive sign. Where is positive sign? This is positive sign. So range is this. Y lies between minus half to plus half. So range f is equal to square bracket minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now another question. This is answer. Now another question. What is range of what is range of f of x is equal to root over x square minus 4, root over x square minus 4. Solution f of x is equal to root over x square minus 4. F of x means y, root over x square minus 4. That implies squaring both sides, y square is equal to x square minus 4 and x square is equal to y square plus 4, y square plus 4, or x is equal to here plus or minus root over y square plus 4. X is equal to plus or minus y square plus 4. What is, since y square plus 4 is always greater than or equal to 4. Y square plus 4 is always greater than or equal to 4. Let us see, if x is equal to plus 2 or minus 2, this is 0, and x is 3, 4, 5, then y increases. What is the range of this function? Range of the function, here the range of the function 0 to infinity, because we know y square is always greater than equal to 0. Y square is always greater than equal to 0. So you can write y square is always greater than 0. So range f is equal to 0 to infinity. Please pay attention this. This is a special type of question. This is square root function. What is the range of this? Y square present here. Y square always greater than 0. Since it is square root function, reason here, since it is square root function, so its value greater than equal to 0. Therefore range is 0 to infinity. Suppose you can put here 1,50,000. Obviously increases. If put plus 2 minus 2, 0, minus 7, greater than 0. So this type of question is very confused question. So please attention here. Domain of the range of the function is 0 to infinity. Now what is range of what is the range of f of x is equal to 4 minus x square. Same thing repeat here. Solution, put f of x is equal to y, 4 minus x square, and this is x square is equal to y, 4 minus y square, or that implies x is equal to plus or minus root over 4 minus y square. X is defined for 4 minus y square greater than equal to 0. That implies minus 2 plus 2 Sign rule is minus, this is infinity, this is minus infinity, minus, plus, minus. Y belongs to here, minus 2 to plus 2. This is not range. This is not range. Because, why this is not range? Because it is, since it is square root function. So y cannot be negative. Therefore range f equal to 0, 2. Very important question. So please pay attention, my dear students. If this type of questions asked, then you pay attention and write carefully. Thank you.